So one thing that I kept doing was I sketch a lot, right? So this one character who was obviously inspired from a lot of like Tibetan, Buddhist, Hindu, like Rakshasas, Asuras and all. Like somehow from that inspiration, I kept drawing this one character in my sketchbook a lot of times in a lot of like variations with a lot of elements and all that. And then I did like few compositions in my department. Like I did like few illustrations, like a big illustration with this character. And then Prasad sir saw that and he suggested like adding a world to it, adding building a world around that guy, like building some lore to it. Would would like kind of fledge it out, right? It'll like flesh it out. It'll look nice. So one thing that I wanted to add as well is like these kind of organic, very chaotic stuff basically. Because I used to like do this one type of drawing, like how do I say, intuitive drawing, mindless drawing, where I draw where I start with a line, I don't know where the line is going. I just intuitively it just keeps going. I used to build forms like that. So I wanted to include that aspect also in this lore that I was building. I didn't have a lot of time to like actually flesh the entire like lore out. I kind of kept it circulation, and it's heavily inspired by like multiple like pop culture elements like games, movies, a lot of stuff like comics. The concept are for games. So basically, he is a prophet for a cosmic horror god, or like it's a all-consuming god. So basically, this organic stuff that you see all over the place, that is taking over the land and consuming the people, taking him over also, is the actual god. He is basically the prophet or the deity that is speaking for the god to the people. These guys are also part of this team that is like working for this one god. So they're all like getting consumed together. These are the people who are being manipulated into like seeing this as salvation, seeing being consumed as going to heaven, something like that. Okay, so that this heavily inspired by a game called Doom Eternal also. I know it's like it is heavily inspired. It's very like influence. It's something you see very all over the place. But still, yeah, like, I really liked it. The color palette is also like something from concept art, Doom Eternal concept art, the red, browns and blacks with the stark yellows. So yeah, like I had a lot of fun doing this. It was an experimental piece for me because I don't color much, I don't paint. So this was fun. But I'm definitely like gonna work on it more. I'm gonna add more lore to it, like flesh the characters out, like give more story behind it, like an art to it.